Hi, my lovelies. I'm going to show you how I teach new high kids. New high kids can be very difficult because a lot of times they just literally only show you a picture and you have to teach from that picture. What I learned is that you can get the teacher's book. They do have a teacher's book that comes with new high kids. That's what I love about them. And you can learn the phrase that they particularly have for that lesson. And once you learn the phrase, you can teach the phrase to your kids. Now, however you teach it, it's up to you. But I teach my students to use the question to help them answer, to take words from the question to use in their answer. So, for example, what are you eating? Then they would say, I am eating a piece of bread, And once I teach them how to do the phrase, then we play a game. So once I teach them how to, that's not a tic-tac. Sorry, that's not a tic-tac board. Once I teach them how to learn the phrase, then we practice a little bit with the phrase, and then we go into our tic-tac-toe game. So with our tic-tac-toe game, I assign them their tic-tac-toe marks, and then I have the girls, 2 of them, get up together, and then they'll practice. So one girl will ask the other girl the question, and the other girl has to answer. And we would do this with each lesson. So let's say that's lesson 1. One girl will ask the other girl a question, and then the other girl has to answer, and then we go on to lesson 2, and the same girl has to ask the other girl the question again for lesson 2, and we keep going until we get to the lesson that we're on that day. Say lesson 3 is the lesson we're on that day. And then once they've gotten all of them correct, they can put their X on the board. And once they have 3 in a row, they get their 1 point. And whoever has the most points, of course, they win or get like extra points or extra something. And that's it. Happy teaching, my lovelies.